Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. My name is Andrew and today we're going to be talking about our mixer amplifiers. So we're going to talk about our mixer amplifier series. We call it the MA. We have three different options here in front of us today: the MA30, MA60, and MA120BT. As far as the physical makeup of the amplifier, they operate exactly the same way. The only difference is the wattage available within the units themselves. So the MA30 has 30 watts, MA60 has 60 watts, and MA120BT has 120 watts available. So I want to go over just the basic components of these amplifiers. They have built-in media players, so you have Bluetooth available, you have an FM tuner, where you can pick up some local stations near you, hopefully. There's different inputs available. As far as mics go, you have one XLR input, you have two 1/4 inch inputs if you wanted to utilize that. And then you have a couple dual RCA line ins if you needed to utilize those as well. So they're here on the back. So your line ins are here. You have your mic XLR input here, and then the two 1/4 inch inputs that we talked about as well. You'll notice there's a third dual RCA. That's a line out. So if you needed to go out of the amplifier, maybe go into another amp for additional power, it's there and available for you to do so. As far as the outputs available, most of our applications that we deal with are 70 volt, but if for whatever reason you needed to use or utilize low impedance, there's 4, 8, and 16 ohm outputs available as well as 70 volt. So there are some protections built into this unit. So if it detects clipping, short circuit, or overheating, it'll go into protection mode and let you know. So if you're getting that little light that show up on the unit, give us a call and we'll talk through and see what may be happening with your unit, see if we can fix it. But as far as the unit itself, it's pretty user-friendly. You just have your master volume here, bass and treble adjustments that you can make for the overall output, and then you have your knobs here, attenuators for the different channels and inputs that they correlate to. So everything's labeled nicely. There's buttons under the media player so you can make basic adjustments to the volume, things of that nature. Super simple to use. These units do come with a remote that only handles the media player. So you can do basic EQ adjustments of the media player, volume up and down, pause, basically anything you could do like in a car. Changing the song, skipping, fast forwarding, basic EQ adjustments, etc. But this only handles the media player, not the other inputs that you may be utilizing as well. You're going to be limited to probably 20 feet or so. So don't count on using this if you're in another room, 50, 60 feet away from the unit and in a different room. You need to be pretty close to use this. So just basic adjustments can be done using the remote. Comes with the power cord to plug into a standard outlet to get power. And then it also comes with a coaxial FM antenna where you can add it and try to get increased signal to pick up stations near you. So the MP3 media player also has a USB input, which is utilized for our sound masking systems. We have sound masking generators that are on a USB, and so you can just plug that right in. It'll take priority over the media player, start playing automatically, and so that's available to you as well. Even if you're not doing sound masking, you could download WAV or MP3 files, music files onto a USB, plug it in, and it'll read it automatically, start playing your music that way. So that's always an option. So just a basic overview of our mixer amplifier series. If you have any additional questions or if you're interested, please give us a call and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you guys next time.